How to find Korean friends on Kakaotalk. So this is a very easy tutorial. All you have to do is to install your Kakaotalk on your phone, and then you just have to make sure that you're using the latest version. Type your email address or phone number, password, and then click login. Now there are a lot of ways on how to find Korean friends on Kakaotalk. First is we have here, you just have to know that person's ID, so that you just have to simply click this ID search, type their ID number or name, and then add them as a friend. Second is QR code. If you know someone's QR code or a Korean's QR code, all you have to do is scan that and then click add. Now shake. If this Korean person is just living nearby, then you can simply notice or see them here in suggested friend. If this person is your friend in any of your social media application like your Skype, Facebook, Viber, or let's just say WhatsApp, then that person, that Korean friend, will be one of the suggested friends here, and all you have to do is to add them. And then last we have here, all you have to do is to simply know their invite link or their link in order for you to add them or to find them here in KakaoTalk. As easy as that. And then once you see them or once you search their name or once you are in a group where you can see Korean friends or Korean people, all you have to do is just simply tap their names, add them, and message them. As easy as that. Thank you for watching this, and I hope to see you in our next video tutorials.